Hello and welcome. It's Melinda from Scrapbooking and Craft. How you going today? Just trying to prop my book up so I get the glare off it. Welcome. Just a short promo video for a virtual class that I have designed and we have for sale. Hillbilly Scrapping, my friend Jen from Hillbilly Scrapping and myself have decided to do some virtual classes this year. So basically a virtual class is a video class. And you purchase a kit from Hillbilly Scrapping, and I'll make sure her website is linked below. So it's hillbillyscrapping.com. She is an Australian business, but she doesn't have the .au. And so you purchase the kit from Hillbilly Scrapping. I'll show you what's included in your kit in just a moment. And then you get a link to a YouTube video to complete your project. Now, you can interpret the project however you like. This was my sample page, and I'll show you the actual page that is coming in the filmed video. So depending on your size of your journal, you can make them slightly different. So let's start with what's in the kit to start with. So in the kit, you get one of my beautiful small vine dotty leaves. That is great because you can get lots of movement in when you're stamping because it does wiggle around. But I will show you more of that in the video. You get a lovely stencil. A lovely clean one, not as dirty as mine, with this beautiful circle pattern. You get a fantastic dark room door. This one is patchwork butterfly, and we use this as the wings. So this stamp is quite big. Darkroom door do fantastic stamps. So it's a cling stamp, cling film. It's got cling film on the back of it, so it just clings onto your stamping blocks. The other thing you get in the class kit is you get all the stamped images. You get flowers, you get vines, you get this border, you get these, you get a title, I am perfect just the way I am. These leaves here we actually create in the class with our foam stamp. These wings are a bit different. These are actually Dina Wakley wings, but we decided to go with the darkroom door butterfly wings because they're a bit easier to get here in Australia. We're finding we're having a bit of trouble getting stuff at the moment. I've got a lot of classes in the pipeline, but unfortunately we just can't get the stock for them out of the US at the moment. So if we can source it from Australia, it is so much easier. So this is the actual page that's completed in the video. So as you can see, it's got the similar basics and the bare bones. The only thing you don't get in your kit that you will need is acrylic paint. Now, I'll tell you the three colours I've used. I've used Dina Wakley Media paints because they're my favourite paints at the moment. So I have used, and I do need to restock these because these are very empty, Ocean, Lime, my favourite colour, even though I don't like green. Don't know why. It's my favourite colour, and Peacock. So these are the three colours I've used in the background. So if you don't have any acrylic paints and you do want to purchase some, you can purchase these separately. What we're doing with the virtual classes is we're giving you about 85% of the stuff you need in the class, assuming you will have stuff at home, or you can purchase like 3 paints and you can change the colours around. If you're not a greeny bluey person, go with purples and pinks, go with whatever colours you like. So that gives you the freedom to change the colours around as well. So Hillbilly Scrapping does sell all the Dina Wakley paints. Delusions paints will work, acrylic paints, Kaiser Craft paints, any brown paint, any brand acrylic paint will work. What else do you get in your kit? I've also given you Spread Your Wings and Fly as stamped words. That's another Delusion stamp. So in this page, I've actually coordinated 4 different Delusion stamp sets. Now, if we were to give you all those stamp sets and the paints, it would be a $200 or $300 class. Who can afford that, right? So what we've done is we've looked at it and given you the bare bones to put it together. You also get some printed black and white images. You get 3, so you can choose from 3 in your class kit. You'll get a smaller one in case you work in a small journal. It'll still work with the wings and things, and you get 2 of these larger ones. Feel free, if you don't like the images I've popped in, go to your magazine stash and find a magazine image you would like to use. Or alternatively, I've had people use photographs instead of magazine images. It's up to you. So my philosophy with these classes is I teach you a few techniques. I teach you how to get the most out of these foam stamps. We do reverse and normal stenciling, and you have the freedom within the class to change it around. If you want to stick your flowers in a different way, stick them in a different way. You want to put this lot of flowers over here and this over here, go for it. I like people that take the classes, the bare bones of the class, and give it their own personality. It's fun to see. You don't have to exactly copy this page, but if you are a person that wants to exactly copy what I've done, the video is there for you to go step by step. The advantage of a virtual or a video class as opposed to an in-person class is the video class isn't there at your convenience. You don't have to be available at a certain time. We email, after you purchase the kit, we email you a private YouTube link. So that private YouTube link is only available to people that purchase the class. And you can say, play it for 10 minutes, watch what I do, pause me, do that on your page, watch another 10 minutes and do that. Or you could watch the video all the way through, get an idea of what the class is, and then you could go away and put your own spin on it. There's a few different ways to use the virtual classes or the video classes. And as someone pointed out the other day, you can even mute me if I talk too much. I've been told I talk a bit. And the advantage of the video class is if you get interrupted by your kids and hubby or something happens, that video will be available for several years. For as long as we are in business, that video will be available. So that link, and if for any reason, if you do lose the link, computer crashes, those things happen, just email Hillbillyscrapping or email myself and we will get that link back out to you. Now, if you have any questions on the class whatsoever, don't hesitate to email me or message me through Scrapbooking and Craft, and I can answer your questions. So I love how this is all not stuck down correctly, and it gives a bit of movement to your page as well. So I've just stuck these down lightly. I'm doing that a lot lately. I'm having things that have a bit of movement in the page. These flowers I've stuck down flat and the words, but I like the movement in these as well. So I think that's about all I've got to say about my first virtual class. I do have quite a few more in the pipeline. They will be all listed on Hillbillyscrapping's website because we are selling them through her website. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment on this video. Go to Scrapbooking and Craft Facebook page and send me a message. It's the same business name as this YouTube channel. And I would love to see what you create. So if you do purchase this class and make a page, I would love for you to private message me a picture or share it on Facebook with the hashtag Scrapbooking and Craft, the same as this YouTube channel. I often search that tag to see what people are doing with my products. I think that's enough from me, and I will see you around in other virtual classes. Bye for now. Have fun. Bye.